and welcome. This week we're going to be talking about reflection and metacognition. Now that's a really big word, but all it really means is thinking about the way that we think. And it's actually a really important topic. I would like to think first of all about this idea of reflection and why we do it. I've borrowed this from a website put together by Vanderbilt University. They write, metacognitive practices help students become aware of their strengths and weaknesses as learners, writers, readers, test takers, group members, etc. A key element is recognizing the limit of one's knowledge or ability and then figuring out how to expand that knowledge or extend that ability. Those who know their strengths and weaknesses in these areas will be more likely to actively monitor their learning strategies and resources and assess their readiness for particular tasks and performances. So, it is really important that we think about how it is that we have been doing on an assignment, in a class, on any kind of project that we're working on. Taking that time to really think and reflect and process your information is such a vital part of the experience of learning. So, this idea of metacognition that I mentioned a moment ago, we're thinking about thinking. Some of the questions that I want you to be considering as you work on any project: what is the instructor's goal in having me do this task? Why do you think that I have given you this particular assignment? Now you can do this with any assignment at all. The discussion boards, for example, are a great place for you to ask yourself, what do I think the teacher thinks I should be getting out of this? What are the things that I need to do to successfully accomplish this task? And what resources do I need? So this, resources can be anything from using the library, for example, and researching a topic, whether or not it's for an essay assignment. Really having, good research behind what it is that you're saying is very important. But those resources could be, almost anything. What kind of resources do I need? Well, I need to have my computer be in good working order. I need to have Microsoft Word on my computer, for example, or another good word processor. If I've done something like this before, how could I do a better job this time? Now, this is especially true if you are in Composition 2, but also if you're in Comp 1. Everybody's written something in the past. You have had writing assignments either in previous English classes or in some of your other courses in your curriculum. And so you should be thinking about any experiences that you've had that might in any way resemble this particular project that you're working on. What resources do I need, and what have I done before? What resources have I used in the past? What have I done that's been successful? Where have I gone in the past to get good information? What could I do maybe differently? What do I wish I had done differently before? Why is it important to learn this material in this course? So when we're thinking about a writing class, we need to ask ourselves about the material that you're learning. And for example, you've been doing those Connect assignments. Why is that important? Why is the material being rehearsed in the Connect assignments? Why is that something that I want you to have really good mastery over? How does success in this course relate to my career goals? How am I going to actively monitor my learning in this course? What do I most want to learn in this course? And what do I want to be able to do by the end of this course? There's so many ways, there's so many different kinds of questions that you can use to get your head around this. But the point here is that you should be thinking about your learning and about how you're accomplishing these tasks and what you can be doing differently, what you're learning about the process. My goal is simply, with this video, is simply to help you think about this reflection process and why it is that it's so important. And I really hope that you do take the reflection assignment very seriously. I'd like to say that you do not need to have your grade for this assignment in order for it to be an effective assignment. In fact, I think it's better if you don't know what your grade is before you do this assignment, because metacognition and thinking about thinking and this reflection assignment is about what you think, not about what I think. It's about what you think. How do you think this went for you? Was this difficult? Was it easy? What was hard? What was easy? What would you do differently? What did you do differently this time from last time? All of these questions are things that you can answer and that don't depend on your grade at all. And in fact, are things that I don't know. I mean, I'm not inside your head. So tell me what it is that's going on. I would love, of course, to speak with you. If you would like to contact me, you can reach me by email or by phone. If you're having technical problems, of course, please contact Sakai Support at hondros.edu and reach out and get the help that you need, whether from me or from somebody else. Don't forget, too, that there are peer tutors on campus that are there to help you out with these kinds of projects. So, use all of the resources that are available to you. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thanks for watching.